This video is sponsored by Trade Coffee.
Hey guys, Joey's out cold, and we're on a deadline to get this video out. We need some coffee stat.
I think it's gonna be a while.
Hey guys, I got the solution.
Introducing Trade Coffee, a direct-to-your-door service which curates and delivers freshly roasted coffee to you by hand-picked artisan roasters from around the country. Trade makes it easy to discover the right coffee options for you based on your tastes and brewing method. If you're the indecisive type, just plug in what you're looking for, and Trade will show you the best options to match your tastes.
Who could that be? Wow. That was fast.
Trade also offers The Hookup, a subscription service which delivers exciting new coffee selections on a schedule that you choose. Your coffee isn't roasted until after you order, so you know it's fresh. We love being able to sample from roasters based all over the country from the comfort of our office. And Joey loves the extra boost it gives him. Take the quiz and get an amazing bag of coffee perfectly suited to your own tastes. Be one of the first 100 people to subscribe to Trade and get 50% off your first hookup order.
Earlier this week, we launched the first part, one of our most ambitious projects I've done yet, making a camera and film from scratch. With the normal restrictions I place on myself of attempting to make a specific object using only materials I sourced from the wild, I was restricted to mostly just wood and paper. Since then, I've actually acquired the next two ingredients, a metal and clear glass made from sand, thanks to the help of a secret ingredient. But before I continue and upgrade my camera, I want to take a moment to make some tweaks to the Pinhole camera. But first, I wanted to get some photography tips from Mustache Jim. So I asked him to take a photo of me using his camera.
This is a beautiful instrument in that it slows you down in a mindful way. For me, it helps to bring the best out of my work. There's art and beauty in everybody's way, and it doesn't matter what you're using. You know, you can make something absolutely breathtaking with color crayons, and it's still amazing. Digital versus, they're two different things, but neither of them is more or less valid than the other, because you can really create some amazing things, different things, with both. But you came here for portrait, you didn't come here to have me preach at you. I'm gonna check here to see that you're sharp. There's a little shade making the glass nice and bright, and you're sharp.
So I suppose I shouldn't smile on this if I want it to be accurate.
No, it's not like a million years old. It's like 40s and 50s. You could smile. Do a little light meter reading. The light meter figures out my exposure so that I can shoot adequately. Between 1 and 2 at 100. Aperture 5.6.
How long is your exposure time?
Right in between a full second and a half a second. I'm gonna cock the shutter. So there we go. So now this is the little film drawer. Glass is closed, and some people set it up here like this. We're ready to make your picture, sir. You're looking beautiful. Gotcha. So flip it around. This is the shot side, this is the unshot side. Each magazine holds 2 pieces of film. Since we shot pretty much dead on, let's experiment just a little under. Let's do this. Very good. Very cool.
I feel like I just got my photos for the yearbook.
Yes, indeed.
Thanks to Jim's help, this gives me a bit of a target to aim for with my camera. A few issues I found with my camera were first some light leaks. Shining the light inside of it, I could see a few thinner parts where light could be leaking in. So I covered them up with another layer of paint, and also just covered the whole setup with some extra cloth and tape, just in case I missed anything. Next, my pinhole actually wasn't an ideal size. A smaller and thinner hole should yield a much sharper image. With these few small tweaks, I was able to get a much better image. So next I took the camera out some more and took a few more shots around Minneapolis. and even attempted a portrait.
Thanks again to Trade for sponsoring this video. Remember to click the link in the description below and use the code HTME to get 50% off your first hookup order.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out other content we have covering a wide variety of topics. Also, if you've enjoyed these series, consider supporting us on Patreon. We are largely a fan-funded channel and depend on the support of our viewers in order to keep our series going. Thanks for watching.